Alright guys, hello, this is Krish. Welcome to the Thrifty Tabby. My name is Krish and this is Tabby. And today we are going to stuff all of our saving challenges for May 2024. So let me take a challenge binder and we will see what we have. So from the stuffing, this is the money that we have left over. This is 170 in here, plus additional money we took out from our wallet. So we will see how much we can put towards our savings. So first, there goes 2 PLN challenge. Unfortunately, we only have 2. Oh wow, it's going to be hard to take out from this. I didn't take a tray for some reason. So we have 2 200s. So we need a Sharpie. We have a two PLN coins. I'm going to put it in here. Okay. So this is it. Now we need 5. We don't have any 5s, so we are not going to stuff any 5s. We need 10 PLN for travel. So I don't have a 10, so I'm going to stuff a 20. This is life. 1 and 2. So travel gets 20 today, just because we don't have 10 PLN like you. And we can actually change that into, okay, so we have a 50 in travel. So let me exchange it and condense it. So we have a 50 in travel. Not much, but gotta start somewhere. Christmas is getting a 10 because we have a 10. Okay, and now Christmas has 60. Okay, let me change it like this. 60 in Christmas. And our pet challenge also wants a 10. So in total, it's supposed to have a 30, 20, and 30. Okay, and I can exchange the 20 for 2 10s and leave a 10. Okay, so it's a 30. Cool. And it's all condensed, so it's nice. All right. So the challenges from the binder are done, and there is one most important challenge, which is 100 envelope. So first done. Okay, so we need 96. Okay, 96. Let me find if we have a 90. Okay, how much is 96 and 95? Can we do this? 96 plus 95 equals 191. I don't think we can do it, but let me take a look. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, unfortunately, it's too much. Okay, first 96. So let me count all of this money. 120, 130, 40, 50, 151. Wow, 150. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 96 is easy. So we have a 90 and a 6. So this is easy. I'm not counting this money, I'm just stuffing them. 96 is easy. And leftover is a 60. So we're just gonna stuff a 60. Okay. And now let me see if I can condense whatever is here. Oh, I think I can. Okay, and this is all of the challenges, and the rest of the leftover coins, nickels, is going to be fed to Tabby, and she's getting really thick and heavy, so I think we will actually unstuff her this year around. All right. Thank you for watching the stuffing for May 2025. Thank you guys very much for watching the stuffing of May 2024, and I will see you next time with when we are going to stuff my personal binder. See you!